Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're watching this on schedule, it is Monday, April 4th, so happy Monday. Today's topic is collision theory, and this is one of my favorite lessons of the year, and I know I've talked about it, at least in my classes, about this is the day we would have played baseball in class. But you know what, we'll do this virtually, it will still be fun, and you guys will learn some stuff. So one of the things I want you to look at first is this GIF and this question. So what must happen in order for a soccer or hockey or essentially any sports player to score a goal? And so if you look at this GIF of Alex Morgan's goal against Germany in the She Believes Cup, absolutely amazing goal. But what had to have happened for that to happen? First, her foot and the ball needed to make contact. She needed to kick it with enough energy. And she had to kick the right part of the ball in order for it to do what she wanted it to do. And so that's going to be what the sum of the lesson today is. So, let's play ball. You should be following along with this video to the note sheet. And on the note sheet, you'll see Charlie Brown and a paragraph. So we're going to say reactant A is a bat, and reactant B is the ball. So if we were doing this in class, the ball would have been our lovely beach ball Bob. But we'll do this through a video for now. So, scenario 1. The pitcher throws a fastball down the middle of the plate. The batter takes a mighty swing and totally misses the ball. The umpire yells, "Strike one." So if we think about it, did a reaction take place between A and B? Why? So we would say, no, there is no reaction because the ball and the bat didn't even come in contact with each other. Okay. Scenario 2. The pitcher throws an off-speed pitch, and the batter checks his swing. The batter just barely makes contact with the ball, and it dribbles down in front of the batter's feet into foul territory. The umpire yells, "Foul ball, strike two." So if we think about this scenario, did a reaction take place? And we can say no, because the ball wasn't moving fast enough for the bat to hit properly. And so speed is one of the things we'll think of later on. Scenario number 3. The pitcher throws a curveball that looks like it might catch the outside corner of the plate. The batter swings with all his strength, but the bat grazes the underside of the ball, and the ball skews off to the right, flying into the crowd. The umpire yells, "Foul ball, still 2 strikes." So if we look at this scenario, did a reaction take place? And we're going to have to say no, because the ball and the bat didn't hit each other in the right spot. So there is a sweet spot in baseball and in soccer and other things, but the two things have to have contact in the right spot. And there's a fancy word for that we'll talk about pretty shortly. Scenario number 4. The pitcher throws another fastball down the middle of the plate. The batter swings and wallops the ball high into the air, and the ball clears the center field wall that reached 410 feet. The ump yells, "Home run!" Woo! He finally scored a home run. So, did a reaction take place? We can say, yeah, and our explanation could be the ball had enough speed, the ball and the bat actually hit each other in the right spot with the proper amount of speed. Okay. Now, question 5, it says, based on your responses to 1 through 4, what could we say an effective collision is? An effective collision, a sciencey definition of it, the particles actually have to collide with proper energy and proper orientation. Meaning they can't just tap into each other. They have to have enough energy and they have to hit each other in a specific way. So if you think about putting a pen cap on a pen, you can't just throw the two together and expect the top to land on the pen. They have to be oriented the right way, and you have to put sufficient amount of energy to make that happen. So, last question, number 6. It says, complete the statement. A collision theory states that a reaction is most likely to occur if the particles collide with proper energy and orientation. So this is the answer to literally every single collision theory question. The things have to collide with enough energy and with the proper orientation, meaning they have to hit each other in a very specific way. So you guys will see practice questions with that on tomorrow's practice question set, as well as the castle learning. But for collision theory, that's it. It's a very short lesson. I hope you had fun. Have a wonderful day.